Hello and welcome to My Carolina Homestead. My name is Michelle if you're new, and today me and my daughter Addie are going to make a all-natural homemade deodorant as requested by a sweet viewer in Pakistan. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick around. So to start off, we have our double boiler set up, and we have just a little glass beaker in a pan of hot water, and our burner is on low. And we're going to start adding our ingredients to this to melt it down. And we're going to start off with 21 grams of coconut oil. And this is going to make a 2-ounce batch of deodorant. So you can double or triple this depending on how much you want to make. We're just going to put this in a tin that has a lid in it. But if you want to purchase deodorant containers, those are available on Amazon. The next ingredient we're going to add is shea butter. We're going to add 14 grams of shea butter. And we're just going to let this simmer down on the double boiler until the oils have completely melted and liquefied and they are clear. And once that's finished, we'll bring you back to finish the rest of this deodorant recipe. Okay, so now all of the oils have melted down and are clear. I'm just going to zoom this in here so you can see. And now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So once your oils have melted, you can pull that off of the heat. And now we're going to add the dry ingredients. Now this is going to be up to you how much you choose to use, but next we're going to add baking soda. You want to make sure that you're using aluminum-free baking soda. So we're using aluminum-free baking soda, and we're going to use 16 grams. So you're just going to add that into your oils and mix that around really well until it dissolves. Sometimes the baking soda can be a little clumpy, so you want to whisk that out and get those lumps out of there. Okay, once your baking soda has been combined, 8 grams of tapioca flour. Now you can use arrowroot powder or cornstarch, but if you're using cornstarch, make sure it's non-GMO, because we are going to put this on our body. And once all the dry ingredients have been incorporated really well, then we're going to add 5 to 7 drops of the essential oils of your choice. So you want to make sure that your oil mixture has cooled down before you add your essential oils. And today I think we're going to use a combination of patchouli, sandalwood, and frankincense. Now the benefits of making this particular recipe is, number one, it's all natural, so it's non-toxic and it's good for you and good for your skin. The coconut oil is a moisturizer. It's also an antibacterial oil, so that's going to help with bacteria, the prevention of bacteria. And the baking soda is going to help neutralize any odor, and the tapioca flour is to absorb moisture. So once you have all of your ingredients combined, you can do one of two things. You can pour this into your container and let it set up, or you can let this cool down just a little bit more and you can whip it into a light consistency. We're going to just let this set up by pouring it into our container and let this set up for a couple hours and solidify. And then this will be ready to use. And there you go. There is your all-natural homemade deodorant that you could use anywhere on your body. I just want to thank you so much for stopping by My Carolina Homestead today and spending some time with me and my daughter Addie. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell for more videos coming soon. See you next time, and take care.